Hi, I'm Diane Grover, Cosmetic Chemist trainer and assessor here with the Institute of Personal Care Science. Today I'm going to show you how to make a colour protection conditioning mist. Now let me show you just how easy it is. For today's colour protection conditioning mists, we will start with the water phase. To that I will add a liquid cationic surfactant, some panthenol. Panthenol deposits on the hair surface, leaving a smooth, lightweight coating that can reduce friction between strands, improving combability and enhance softness. And I'm also going to add in the broad spectrum preservative now because there's no heating in this formula. I'm also using some polyquaternium 7, which is a conditioning agent that carries a cationic charge. So it attracts to the negatively charged areas of damaged hair. This helps to smooth the cuticle and reduce flyaways. And for the active today, I'm using lychee derm, which is a lychee extract with free radical scavenging effects and protects the hair from UV damage and UV-induced colour fading. And because I want to complement the lychee extract with a lychee fragrance, I'm using just a small input of solubilizer to solubilize the fragrant oil. I'm using a lychee and guava fragrant oil. I'm just adding the solubilized fragrance very slowly under low shear to the surfactant mix so that we don't create any clouding. Once they are homogeneously mixed together, you can check and adjust the pH to suit the hair, so between 4 and 4.5 before pouring off into a mister bottle. And then you have your own colour protection conditioning hair mist. See, and that's how easy it is to make a colour protection conditioning mist. If you like today's formula, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to receive notifications on videos just like this and email us at info@personalcarescience.com.au for more free formulas. Happy formulating!